Hello everyone, let's take a look at this puzzle which says 7 equals 8, 8 equals 12, 9 equals 16, and here is the question for us to solve which says 12 equals what? Almost everyone who looks at this puzzle immediately says the answer to this is 20. Because looking at the difference between the first and second result, the difference between 8 and 12 is 4. The difference between 12 and 16 is 4. Then they will now conclude that 16 plus 4 also will give us 20 because the difference must also be 4, which is wrong. If you say the answer is 20, that means you've walked straight into a brilliant mathematical trap. Now let's take a look at the numbers on the left hand side, which are 7, 8, 9, and the next thing is what? The puzzle jumps straight to 12. Can you see that we don't have 10 and also we don't have what? 11. That means the sequence has skipped numbers 10 and 11. That means you can't just add 4 to the result that we got here, which is 16. You can't just add 4 to it to get 20. Remember that what? Numbers 10 and 11 have been skipped. Now let's write out the sequence step by step to see the clear pattern. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 instead of 7, 8, 9, 12. And the result that we had earlier, 7 equals 8, 8 equals 12, 9 equals 16. Now 10 will be equal to what? 20. By the time we start adding 4 plus 4 plus 4 to each, 8 plus 4 will give us 12, 12 plus 4 will give us 16, 16 plus 4 will give us 20. So 20 plus 4 will give us 24. Then 24 plus 4 will give us 28. Now here is the formula for this puzzle if you don't feel like writing out the entire sequence. Here is the formula. The formula is what? 4 times open bracket a minus 5, where a is our number. So let's go 4 times, looking at the first row, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 will give us 2. So 4 times 2 will give us 8. So for the first row, 7 equals 8, which is correct. Now let's look at the second row. The second row says 8 equals 12. Using our formula, 4 multiplied by open bracket a minus 5. So we have that 4 multiplied by 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So 4 times 3 will give us 12, which is perfect. Now let's look at the third row, which says 9 equals 16. Using our formula above, which says 4 times open bracket a minus 5. So we have that 4 multiplied by 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 will give us 16, which is perfect. Let's solve the question before us, which says 12 equals what? So we have our formula again, 4 multiplied by a minus 5. So we have that 4 multiplied by 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 will give us 7. So 4 multiplied by 7 will give us 28, which is correct.